Young lords and learners, good morning, all of you. I am going to talk about songs and lyrics in the Elizabethan age. Elizabethan age is remarkable for beautiful songs and lyrics. It is said that Elizabethan age is the nest of singing words. During the Elizabethan age, each and every person tried his or her hand at composing poetry. Writing poetry became the fashion of the time. So, Elizabethan age is replete with wells of poetry, gems of poetry. Elizabethan age is treasure house of golden poetry. Now, let me talk about the important poets and their works during the Elizabethan age. Edmund Spenser comes first and foremost when we talk about Elizabethan poetry or Elizabethan songs and lyrics. Edmund Spenser suffered a lot in his life. His childhood was very miserable. Anyhow, he managed to graduate from Cambridge University. Edmund Spenser took up poetry as his profession. He composed many poems. Fairy Queen is a memorable work of Edmund Spenser. Edmund Spenser was born in 1552 and he continued to write till 1599. A graduate of Cambridge, Edmund Spenser penned the Shepherd's Calendar in 1579. It is a beautiful, remarkable poem. In Shepherd's Calendar, Edmund Spenser translates history into poetry in a very beautiful way. It is a storehouse of beautiful phrases. Then Edmund Spenser composed the Fairy Queen in 1590. Fairy Queen is a tremendous work of Edmund Spenser. Edmund Spenser moved from his public life to the court. In the Fairy Queen, he eulogizes, appreciates praises Queen Elizabeth. Edmund Spenser introduced beautiful stanza in Fairy Queen. This is a great contribution of Edmund Spenser to the growth and development and enrichment of English poetry. Marlowe was another great poet and dramatist of the Elizabethan age. He composed Hero and Linda. He also composed many sonnets. The next immortal figure is William Shakespeare. He composed Venus and Adonis, Lucrece, and the sonnets which is 154 in number. Shakespeare deals with nationality, nationalism, emotions, sentiments, romanticism in his poetry. Ben Jonson is another great poet of Elizabethan age. His line appears on the lips of the lovers of poetry, which reads, "Drink to me only with thine eyes." Michael Drayton was another great poet of this period. He was born in 1563 and he died in 1631. Michael Drayton composed the Baron's Wars in 1603, Poliol Bion, and many other poems. Since there is no help, is Immortal Sonnet of Michael Drayton. Samuel Daniel is another great poet of England who was born in 1562 and he died in 1619. He wrote epistles and many other poems. Thus, Elizabethan age is a nest of singing words. It's a treasure house of beautiful poetry. It's a gem of English poetry. That's all.